What's up, everybody? It is DJ LeFave, and we are back at it again, here to show you everything you need to know on how to make your own custom DJ drop with Virtual DJ and text-to-speech. This video is going to show you everything you need to know and nothing more. So let's dive on into it. First thing we're going to do is we're going to go to Virtual DJ and we're going to get it set up for our recording. And then we're going to go into the text-to-speech generation and I'm going to show you how to pull this thing all together. It's pretty cool. So in the top right, you're going to click on the settings button. You're going to go into controllers. You're going to have keyboard selected. So in the keyboard, we'll go to advanced editor and then in key, I want you to type R. And then what we're going to actually put into this box is sampler _ record, REC for record, and we're going to do master. So just I'll put in the description of this video. You can just copy and paste it. So we're going to type R, we're going to go into action, and we're going to paste this. And then we click the save icon right here and close. That's all you need to do for now, okay? All you need to do inside of Virtual DJ for now. The next place we're going to go to is Clipchamp. I believe there's a free version for most people to use, and what we're going to do right here works for free because I'm not doing anything crazy, but you can literally use any text-to-speech generation tool that you have at your disposal. Whether it's CapCut, whether it's you using something on the internet, any AI tools, whatever you want, or you can use your own voice. But here we go. Inside of CapCut, we're going to click record and create in the top left. Now, right behind me is this thing called text-to-speech. We're going to click on that, all right? And then this whole big old window pops up. So you have a billion choices of what voice you want to use for this. I'm going to go with, I like this voice the other day. I used it in one of my recent drops. Arabella, multilingual. But we're going to do English. That's what we're going to do. So what are we going to make our first drop? Well, we're going to be kind of selfless here. We're going to be saying like and subscribe if you learned something today. Woo! All right, we're going to preview that sound.
Like and subscribe if you learned something today.
There we go. So like and subscribe if you learned something today. That's all we're going to do there. Then all I do here is I'm going to go export, save it to my computer. So now that the file is saved, we're going to go and open up Virtual DJ. And we're going to bring that file in here. Now, a very easy way to bring your file in is just to take it, drag it, put it right on the deck that you want to play it on, right there, and we're done. So now that it's in here, let's go and play it.
Like and subscribe if you learned something today.
So that was cool. That was cool. Bring it on back. Bring it on back. I'll actually set a hot cue. That way I can bring it back here. You can do so many different things here now with your audio. You can change the key of it.
Like and subscribe if you learned something today.
And then we can even add some distortion. I'll do a little bit of distortion right there. Distortion. Bring it up a little bit.
Like and subscribe if you learned something today.
Kind of gives it that radio feel to it, okay? So now how do we make the sample? Very, very easy at this point. We're going to press the R key on our keyboard to start recording the sampler, and then we're going to play the sound. Here we go.
Like and subscribe if you learned something today.
And then we hit the R key again. All right, then there is a button over here called Sampler. So in Sampler, you're going to have recordings, and the recording is going to be right here. And there we go. Master is the last one we did right here. So I'm going to click it.
Like and subscribe if you learned something today.
And you could add these to whatever bank you want. So if we create a new bank over here, I could take this one and I could drag it and I could put it right there. Now, if you click the settings cogwheel here, you can rename it, and we're going to call this like and subscribe because I sometimes do really cool stuff like this and teach you things. You can change the color. You can make the mode of a drop, a loop, and then you click there's a save button right here. And now when you're ready to drop it, you have your controller. You got this right here.
Like and subscribe if you learned something today.
So that's it. I told you it was going to be quick. Told you it's going to be easy. I told you everything you need to know. Please drop a comment. Let me know where you guys are tuning in from because I like to know all over the world where we're helping people at. I'm DJ LeFave. Oh.